What is up, guys? Mr. Rasmussen here, otherwise known as the Woodbender, because I am the master of all the shop elements, and today I am continuing my pen making series by making pen number 16 out of 27. The 27 pens are all rare or exotic wood species, and so far I am super pumped with how well the collection is coming along. And I am really excited to add today's pen to the collection because today's pen comes from Southern Africa and is called Tambootie. Just like my other videos in this series, I will be ranking this wood off of 3 categories and giving it an R score. The R score is the rank I give it for where it falls as my favorite within the collection, and the 3 categories are price, workability, and aesthetics. Starting out with price, for being an African imported wood species, Tambootie is moderately priced. You can expect to pay about $25 per board foot. For price, I give Tambootie a 4 out of 10. Moving into workability, overall, Tambootie has good working characteristics despite having high density and hardness. However, the wood holds a higher concentration of natural oils, and because of this, the wood can be difficult to sand. I spent probably about 3 times as long sanding this pen compared to most of my other pens. For workability, I give Tambootie a 6.5 out of 10. Wrapping it up with aesthetics, this pen has a very nice and smooth chocolate look to it. It is very clean and tight. For aesthetics, I give Tambootie a 6.5 out of 10. And now for the R score. As of the making of this video, I have 16 other pens in my collection, and I will be giving Tambootie the number 10 spot, behind Sapili and ahead of Bird's Eye Maple. So with that, this episode is complete. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. Here's all the pen blanks I still need to turn, so like and follow along and let me know which one you think I should do next.